Well, more of the Booth's Fresian coming out of this box. These are the dessert plates, very fine condition. I think these are a little earlier than the dinner plates, and I say that because some of them have got a degree of glaze crazing and linear cracking on the surface, which I'm afraid is quite characteristic of early Booths. Either in storage or in use, it does tend to get a bit of quality issues with the glaze crazing through, but it doesn't tend to put everybody off, and they're certainly usable for it. There's the A8022 Fresian Booths mark, used after 1912 and continuously right up until the middle of the century. So some of the dinner plates came through with 1940s date marks on. None of these dessert plates have any indication from date stamps, I'm afraid. And do be aware that some of them have got line crazing. Just let me get one of those and show you an example. Here we go. This is a more typical example of the lot that we've got on sale. Note this fine glaze crackle around here particularly, and just a little bit of light staining. Just let me show you that in relief so you get a real feel for the condition of these plates. Overall, the effect isn't too bad, but they are not in mint condition or A1. These are used vintage with some antique staining and glaze crazing on them. Also a little bit of, you know, just the marks of age and patina on this. It's not quite as bright as the dinner plates, which are absolutely, you know, superb condition. Hence the upper price for those in the market for the condition has to be represented in the price. These are going to be a lot better value and cheaper per plate because of their condition and the glaze issues that we're showing you here in the video. But by and large, not too bad. There's 4 of them going on sale. Just let me show you the other 2. There's another example again with some glaze crackle across it, but otherwise, you know, no other staining issues or anything on this one, just the glaze crazing that you can see there across the back. And the 4th one, just to show you an example there again, some glaze crackle across here. But no chips, no damage, no staining on this one at all, nice and clean. So fine examples of Booth's Fresian, which are increasingly difficult to find. This is the worst of the 4, just with that little bit of staining on it, but otherwise the 4 of them are in very good condition for use and display. Thanks for watching.